Do you have a budget? Do you love China? Then the CM.508 is for you.
Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today I will review the CM.508 from CMA. Today I will talk about the design, quality, performance and many more things. I will also test shoot it. The CM.508 is the Chinese version of the M4A1 model. I think this is a good beginner's weapon for people who has an interest in airsoft guns. And that is usually the case with CMA weapons. The weapon is made of ABS, which is a plastic that does not break down over time. But it can break if you drop it on a hard ground. So do not throw the weapon around randomly. The internal part of the gun is made of aluminum and steel, so that is pretty good material. The weapon is 765 millimeters long and weighs 1.9 kilograms, which is good for an airsoft rifle. The battery is in the front of the rifle right here, and to get it out you have to turn on this little screw on both sides and then push forward and down. And here you have the battery. A con for this weapon is that it's very hard to get the battery back inside the weapon, because you have to lay the battery down and it just wobbles around and you can't get it to stick. You do it like that. Then you have to screw in the screws again, and now we can shoot. To find the hop up, you just pull this back. To change between semi, auto and safe, you just turn this. Now it's on safe, now it's on semi, now it's full auto. You have iron sights on this gun. You just have to push a button on this side, and then you can pull this sight up, and in the back here you pull this lever off, and then it goes up by itself. To get it down, you push this button again, pull this down. To get this down, pull up this lever, put it down and press down. This gun has a high cap magazine that can hold up to 300 BBs, and it can shoot them up to 390 FPS. This gun has 1.49 joule, and that makes it a very good choice for outdoor play. Okay, it's time to test shoot it. Let's shoot them in semi. Now in full out. Double is always better, so why not dual wield guns? I love America. You can find this gun on Taiwan Gun for about 100 euros. And with the gun you get a high cap magazine, a grip as you can see here, a battery and a battery charger. And with that you also get this sling. The battery you get is okay, but I recommend buying a new one, and I recommend buying a LiPo battery. And as you can see, you get quite a lot in this set from Taiwan Gun. Here are the pros and cons of the gun. The pros of this gun is that it is good quality, it's very lightweight, and it's good for beginners. It's also very cheap. The cons of this gun is that if you drop it, it can easily break because the whole thing is made of plastic, and it's very hard to get the battery inside the gun. The only tip I have about this gun is to buy a new battery. In conclusion, this gun is very good for beginners and people who doesn't have a big budget. In the next video I will review the CM.033 from CMA.